Your brain's best workout 9 hacks for peak mental fitness. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into some fascinating and effective ways to keep your brain sharp. You know, our brain is the command center for everything we do, think, and feel. Just like we hit the gym to keep our bodies in shape, our brains also need regular workouts and the right kind of care to perform at their best. In a world that's constantly throwing new challenges our way, having a sharp, agile mind isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for navigating life successfully and enjoying it to the fullest. So, how do we ensure our most vital organ stays in top condition throughout our lives? I'm Suresh G, and in this video I'm going to share 9 incredibly smart and sometimes surprising hacks that can help you boost your cognitive function, improve memory, and enhance overall brain health. We're not just talking about common sense advice here. We're delving into techniques backed by research and practical experience. These are strategies you can start implementing today, no matter your age or lifestyle. Think of this as your personal guide to unlocking more of your brain's incredible potential, helping you learn faster, think clearer, and stay mentally resilient. From simple daily habits to more involved practices, each of these hacks offers a unique way to stimulate your neural pathways and protect your brain from the wear and tear of daily life and aging. We'll explore how physical activities, mental exercises, and even your diet can play a crucial role in maintaining cognitive vitality. So if you're ready to invest in your mental capital and discover how to keep your brain performing optimally, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this journey to a sharper, healthier mind together. The unconventional stroll walking backwards for brain gains. All right, let's kick things off with something that might sound a bit unusual, but stick with me on this one: backward walking. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Suresh, are you serious? Absolutely. Walking backward isn't just a quirky party trick. It's a surprisingly effective way to challenge your brain and body in new ways. When you walk forward, it's largely an automatic process for most of us, but when you reverse that motion, your brain has to work significantly harder. It demands increased concentration, heightened spatial awareness, and improved coordination. This novel task forces your brain to create new neural connections and strengthen existing ones as it processes unfamiliar sensory input and motor commands, essentially giving your cerebellum and prefrontal cortex a good workout. Think about the last time you really had to concentrate on a simple physical movement. Backward walking does exactly that. It enhances your proprioception, your body's ability to sense its position in space, and can lead to better balance and stability over time. Studies have suggested that activities requiring this kind of motor control and coordination can also have a positive impact on cognitive functions like memory and problem solving. It's about breaking out of our routine motor patterns and forcing the brain to adapt and learn. Even a few minutes of backward walking in a safe, open space, perhaps in your hallway or a quiet park, can be a fantastic mental and physical stimulant, pushing your brain to operate outside its comfort zone. The chilling truth: cold showers for a sharper mind. Next up, let's talk about something that might send a shiver down your spine, quite literally cold showers. While the thought of willingly subjecting yourself to icy water might not sound appealing at first, the brain benefits can be quite invigorating. When that cold water hits your skin, it creates a mild stress response in your body, and this isn't necessarily a bad thing. This shock triggers the release of norepinephrine in your brain, which is a neurotransmitter and hormone crucial for attention, focus, and mood regulation. This surge can lead to increased alertness and mental clarity, almost like a natural cup of coffee, but without the jitters for some people. Beyond just waking you up, regular exposure to cold can also have an impact on your mood. The intense stimulation of cold receptors on your skin sends a massive amount of electrical impulses from peripheral nerve endings to the brain, which can result in an antidepressive effect. Some research even suggests that cold exposure can increase the production of endorphins. It's a way to jolt your system, improve circulation throughout your body, including to your brain, and potentially reduce inflammation. Of course, you should start slowly, maybe ending your regular shower with a 30-second blast of cold water and gradually increase the duration. It's a challenging habit, but the mental crispness it can provide is a powerful motivator for many. Piece by piece, puzzles for a powerful brain. Let's move on to a more traditional yet incredibly effective brain sharpener. Puzzles. Whether it's a classic jigsaw puzzle, a challenging Sudoku, a daily crossword, or even brain teaser apps on your phone, engaging with puzzles is a fantastic way to flex your cognitive muscles. When you're working on a puzzle, you're not just passing the time, you're actively engaging various cognitive functions, including problem-solving, critical thinking, visual spatial reasoning, and memory. Each type of puzzle targets slightly different skills, making it beneficial to vary the kinds of puzzles you engage with. For instance, jigsaw puzzles can enhance your short-term memory and your ability to see patterns. The act of searching for solutions, identifying patterns and making connections strengthens neural pathways and can even promote the growth of new ones, a concept known as neuroplasticity. This mental stimulation is crucial for maintaining cognitive health as we age. Think of it like taking your brain to the gym for a targeted workout. Regularly challenging your brain with puzzles can improve concentration, attention to detail, and even your mood, as the sense of accomplishment from solving a difficult puzzle releases dopamine. It's a fun, accessible, and rewarding way to keep your mind agile and resilient against cognitive decline. So make some time to get lost in a good puzzle. Your brain will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Turning pages, tuning brains, the power of reading. Now, for a hack that many of us already enjoy but perhaps don't fully appreciate for its brain-boosting power, reading. Reading is so much more than just a way to absorb information or escape into a story. It's a complex cognitive activity that provides a thorough workout for your brain. When you read, you're engaging multiple brain functions simultaneously, including visual processing, language comprehension, memory, and abstract thought. It helps to build your vocabulary, improve your analytical thinking skills, and enhance your ability to focus for extended periods. Whether you're delving into a dense non-fiction book, a captivating novel, or even a well-written article, your brain is hard at work making connections and processing information. The benefits of reading extend throughout our lives. It's been shown to help reduce stress by allowing us to immerse ourselves in another world, which can lower heart rate and ease muscle tension. More importantly, consistent reading habits are strongly linked to maintaining cognitive function as we age, potentially delaying the onset of conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia. Reading exposes you to new ideas, perspectives, and knowledge, which keeps your brain active, curious, and constantly learning. So, pick up that book you've been meaning to read, subscribe to an interesting magazine, or explore new genres. Every page you turn is an investment in your long-term brain health and intellectual vitality. Chapter 5. Beyond Borders: How New Languages Boost Your Brain. Let's explore a truly transformative hack for your brain, learning a new language. This is a commitment, no doubt, but the cognitive rewards are immense and well documented. When you embark on the journey of acquiring a new language, you're essentially rewiring your brain. It challenges your mind to recognize new patterns, understand different grammatical structures, and memorize a whole new vocabulary. This intense mental effort enhances neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to form new neural connections and adapt throughout life. It's like creating new highways in your brain, making it more flexible and efficient in processing information generally. Learning a new language has been shown to improve various cognitive abilities, including problem-solving skills, critical thinking, multitasking capabilities, and enhanced memory. Bilingual individuals often exhibit better executive functions, such as attention control and task switching. Furthermore, studies suggest that speaking more than one language can delay cognitive decline and the onset of dementia by several years. It doesn't mean you have to become perfectly fluent. Even the process of learning and practicing regularly offers significant benefits. With countless apps, online courses, and language exchange partners available, it's more accessible than ever to start this enriching brain-building adventure. Chapter 6. Mind over Matter: Meditation for Mental Clarity. Next, let's turn inward and discuss a practice that has been around for centuries, but is gaining increasing recognition in the scientific community for its brain benefits: meditation. At its core, meditation is about training your attention and awareness to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. This isn't just about feeling relaxed. Regular meditation can bring about structural and functional changes in the brain. For instance, studies have shown that meditation can increase gray matter density in areas associated with learning, memory, self-awareness, and compassion, like the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. It truly is a powerful tool for reshaping your inner landscape. One of the most significant benefits of meditation is its ability to reduce stress. By calming the mind and focusing on the present moment, meditation can lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. This, in turn, can improve focus, enhance concentration, and promote emotional regulation. It helps you become less reactive to stresses and more thoughtful in your responses. Even short daily sessions of meditation, perhaps 10 to 20 minutes, can make a noticeable difference in your mental clarity, your ability to handle daily pressures, and your overall sense of well-being. It's a practice that cultivates a resilient and focused mind, helping you navigate life with greater ease and presence. We often associate exercise with physical health, stronger muscles, a healthier heart, but its impact on brain health is just as profound, if not more so. Regular physical exercise is one of the most effective ways to keep your brain sharp and protected against age-related decline. When you exercise, you increase blood flow to your brain, which delivers essential oxygen and nutrients that brain cells need to thrive. This improved circulation also helps to clear out waste products, but the benefits go much deeper than just blood flow. Exercise actually stimulates the release of crucial chemicals, including growth factors. One of these key players is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain cells. It supports the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth and differentiation of new neurons and synapses, a process called neurogenesis, particularly in the hippocampus, a brain region vital for learning and memory. Aerobic exercises like running, swimming, or cycling are particularly good for boosting BDNF, but strength training and even activities like yoga also contribute to brain health. Consistent physical activity can improve mood, reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and enhance cognitive functions like attention, memory, and executive functions. So, find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Humans are inherently social creatures, and our brains are wired for connection. This brings us to our next hack: socializing. Maintaining strong social connections and engaging in regular social interactions isn't just good for your emotional well-being, it's also incredibly beneficial for your cognitive health. When you interact with others, whether it's a deep conversation with a friend, a lively debate, or collaborative work on a project, you're actively using various parts of your brain. You're processing language, interpreting social cues, empathizing, problem-solving, and engaging your memory as you recall shared experiences or information. This mental engagement helps keep your neural pathways active and strong. Conversely, social isolation can be detrimental to brain health, linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and depression. Engaging with a diverse social network exposes you to new ideas, perspectives, and challenges which can stimulate cognitive flexibility and learning. Participating in group activities, volunteering, joining clubs, or simply making an effort to connect with friends and family regularly can provide the mental stimulation your brain needs. These interactions can also help reduce stress and provide a sense of belonging and purpose, both of which are important for overall brain vitality. So, make time for the people in your life. It's a fun and fulfilling way to keep your brain sharp. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the fuel you provide your brain, your diet. What you eat has a direct and profound impact on your brain's structure, function, and overall health. A balanced diet rich in specific brain-boosting nutrients is essential for optimal cognitive performance and protecting against age-related decline. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. It requires premium fuel to run efficiently. Key nutrients to focus on include omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, B vitamins, and minerals like zinc and magnesium. These components play vital roles in building and repairing brain cells, reducing inflammation, and supporting neurotransmitter function. So, what food should you be incorporating into your diet? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s, particularly DHA, which is a major structural component of the brain. Berries, especially blueberries, are packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. Nuts and seeds, like walnuts and flax seeds, offer a combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale are rich in B vitamins and other brain protective compounds. And don't forget whole grains for sustained energy release. Conversely, try to limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats, as these can negatively impact brain health. Eating a colorful, varied, and whole food-based diet is a cornerstone of keeping your brain sharp. So, there you have it. 9 powerful hacks to help keep your brain in peak condition. From the surprising benefits of walking backward and taking cold showers to the more established practices of reading, exercising, and maintaining a healthy diet, each of these strategies offers a unique avenue to enhance your cognitive abilities and protect your brain health for the long term. Remember, the key is not to try and implement all of these overnight, but to find a few that resonate with you and gradually incorporate them into your lifestyle. Consistency is far more important than intensity when it comes to building lasting brain health. Think of your brain as a muscle that thrives on stimulation, proper nutrition, and rest. By actively engaging in these practices, you're not just sharpening your mind for today, you're investing in your cognitive future, building resilience against stress, and enhancing your overall quality of life. The journey to a sharper mind is an ongoing one, filled with opportunities for growth and discovery. Embrace these hacks as tools to help you navigate that journey with greater clarity, focus, and mental vitality. I truly believe that by taking proactive steps, we can all unlock more of our brain's incredible potential. Thanks